Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have IQOO Z9s smartphone, and this is one of the hot selling smartphone right now. So in this video we are doing an unboxing, setup and a quick camera and speed test. So if you are planning to purchase this phone or you are just a tech freak like me, then this is the video for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. So this is our smartphone. We'll get back into this later. Transparent back cover. This is quite flexible. Some user guides. And this is 44 watts of flash charger. And this connects with A to C cable. You also get the cable with the box, so you don't have to buy a charger separately. And here's the SIM tool or SIM ejector that is also with the box. Now let's see how our phone actually looks like. So this has a glass back and a dual camera setup. This is the Aura light. This is also a special feature in this smartphone. You have SIM slot, the charging slot and the speaker. So actually it feels really firm in the hand, and the grip is also strong. It is not slippery. Now let's set up the smartphone. We are doing a offline setup, so you don't have to connect to any kind of Wi-Fi or insert any SIM. Now let's do a quick camera test. The colors are quite natural. The background blur is also looking natural. I'll try to make a separate video for the camera test, so if you're interested in this, then please comment down in the comment section. Now let's do a quick speed test of this phone. So this was a quick unboxing, setup and camera test and speed test of IQOO Z9s smartphone. If you like this video, then hit that like button. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.